First, make sure your computer or laptop is connected to the internet to open Google Docs. Then, open the document you want to print. Then, go to the print view by pressing Ctrl and P simultaneously on your keyboard, or go to the File menu and select Print. The print settings will then appear. I'm using Chrome, so the print settings may differ if you're using a different browser. In the Pages section, change the settings from All to Custom. After that, you can specify which pages you want to print. For example, page 3 of the document will automatically display page 3 in the print preview. After that, you can click Print to start printing. So, how easy was it? That's how to print just one page in Google Docs. I hope this tutorial is helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. See you in the next video.